Hi, I'm Siddhartha Serene and we at Youth for Work will now cover important tips and tricks related to Rajasthan Police exam. Try to cover all important topics asked in Rajasthan Police exam. Cover all important topics listed in Rajasthan Police Constable syllabus. Practice with Rajasthan Police Constable mock tests to map your preparation with the desired results. When you practice mock tests, you get familiar with the pattern asked and get familiar with the topics asked. A study plan will groom you well to crack the Rajasthan Police exam. Make a systematic study plan and strictly adhere to it. Practice with Rajasthan Police Constable previous year question papers to get an idea of what was asked over the years. There are chances of questions getting repeated over a few years. Stay confident about your preparation. If you have confidence, you will be able to tackle the exam blues in a positive manner. Maintain proper physical health and fitness for physical and medical exams. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share and comment on our channel.